Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and cancel app subscription in your mobile phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and next, without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what you gotta do is simply gonna go ahead first, tap on the settings icon of your mobile phone, and now once you have seen this kind of interface over here in your mobile phone, simply go ahead, tap on this option called your profile name with the profile picture, and then simply scroll down till you get this option called payment and shipping subscriptions option that will be below in this payment and shipping. Go ahead, tap on it, and in this area, in this particular interface, you will find all of the apps that you have done the subscriptions for. And then for you will see this option called renewal receipts. If you turn this off, simply turn this gray instead of green. This will simply stop all of the renewal subscriptions ship for all of the plans that you have been using in app services. So if you turn this off, all of the subscription till the time you have paid will be closed and cancelled, so you don't have to go to each app and cancel it individually. So this will be it, guys. This is the way for you. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.